1 minute. How's your balance? Don't worry, we're going to check it out now. Yes, Funny Honey is here to support you. Yes, straighten the leg as much as you can and squeeze your core. Remember, everything is with the core. Straighten up and lean forward. Yes, like an airplane. Is the bird, is the plane? No, even better, it's Funny Honey. Yes, it's you, me, us. And we are doing it so eloquently. Although we may be shaking, it's okay. On to the next leg. Balance. Yes, so crucial. We need balance in our life. Trust your core. Trust your core. You're doing it. You're doing it. Okay. All right. We almost there. We almost there. Don't hold the breath. Hold the posture. Don't hold the breath. Breathe in.